Good morning, everyone. I fell asleep on the couch watching Crazy Rich Asians.
What?
And I have my middle boy right here. I bought this charades game, so he's looking at it.
Ice cream chocolate chip. How would you do that?
Elmo. That's why it's called charades. Happy day 2 of Vlogmas. I am about to get up, get ready, go clean my backyard. My son's game is at noon, so I'm gonna get a lot of stuff done before then. Finish decorating. Hopefully today I can film the Vlogmas intro. You're the one that teaches him. Zeke! Okay, done getting ready. I didn't do my eyebrows because I need to get them done. But I gotta get dressed, and I told them to get the babies ready. Almost guarantee I didn't. Excuse my house, by the way. I have to clean when I get back.
Oh, this is Gus. Well, let me see what it's
And they're
telling me.
not ready.
So you can hear when the water be splashing. The drop top 3 and a quarter, we dashing. The flawless diamonds in the border, we flashing.
Every time you're on camera, you stop doing the cute stuff.
I'm frankly thinking I'm slipping.
At Derek's game. First game of this season. We're here at Derek's game. Sorry guys, I was like getting ready and then we went to Starbucks. I don't drink coffee, so I got my water, got the kids some cake pops, and now we're at my oldest Derek's first basketball game. I didn't even do my hair. This is our life on Sundays for a while.
That's it. Go. Push it. Push it. Nice.
They're losing by 7. It's like a new coach. Trying to keep it in. I'm like the one that always here yelling at the refs. So I'm trying so hard. I came to the bathroom. That's what I hate about drinking so much water. Always in the bathroom. Alright, going back out to the game. Let's see how this goes.
Move around there. Move around. Hey, just stuck in the middle again. Grab the rebound. Get out of the middle, Derek. Move around. Call it now. Call it. Here.
And we lost. In case you didn't know, this is my son. is on the wall at WSS. Most of the stars. That's my son.
October. Don't you?
Yeah, that's our bag.
Don't you get your feet bigger when you grow?
Huh?
What's the total right now?
When you turn a different age, when you turn a new age, then don't you?
I got some boots. I got some.
So Joey's legs slide up.
We're gonna go in the donut hole. We're going in the donut. We're going inside.
Donut.
Yeah.
How do you know how to say donut, Zeke?
Maybe they copied it. All the donuts.
Look at this.
Look, this is Fruity Pebbles. And
Some of those are Play-Doh.
that one is
Donuts.
Fruit Loops.
All right, which one, Joey?
Is
that Oreo? You want that, Joey? I'll take a
Whoa, look at all the donuts, Zeke.
Zeke, which one do
Yes,
you want?
all the donuts right there. I want a
Oh,
donut.
Lucky Charms? Lucky Charms?
He doesn't even know which one that is, though.
Okay, well, we'll take, you think he'll eat that one?
I don't know.
With the one with Lucky Charms. Hopefully. And then for myself,
It's a Fruit Loop donut. The
thank you.
Lucky Charms, Oreo. But I'm so basic, I got just the glazed. Zeke, you like the donut?
It's Lucky Charms. Is it?
Okay, so I totally fell asleep for like 2 hours and then started cleaning the kitchen. And so today the vlog didn't go as planned. I didn't even record the Vlogmas intro. Today's been like a non-productive day. So I'm like rethinking this Vlogmas thing. I'm trying to get ideas so it could be interesting and fun, and also to make this month fun for my kids. I've been like totally off. I'm still behind on everything. Thursday, all our new furniture coming from IKEA. I love IKEA, guys. I know some people don't like IKEA and think it's tacky. I love IKEA. Not everything. There's a lot of things I love. We have like new bunk beds for the kids and dressers. If you hear somebody screaming in the background, I swear no one's getting murdered. It's just the baby. He screams all day about everything because he wants everything. You want me to show you how much they fight? So, do not judge. I've been cleaning my house, but my living room's still a mess because I don't pick up the toys or anything until like the kids will pick it up before they go to bed, or if I forget to have them pick it up, I will, but I just wait till they're in bed because if not, then I pick up toys and then it's a mess again, and then I pick them up again, and it's just like, it's never ending. So, I'm going to take you guys to see what they're doing. What's wrong? He's supposed to die? You shot him? So the time that I come shopping without the kids, I can't find anything I want. The time I come with the kids, I always see things, but I either get it or I just walk away and be like, I'll be back. The time I don't come with the kids and I can just browse and everything, I can't find shit. I made a little progress. Look what I found. I'm gonna use this for Vlogmas. It's like those light up letter boards. I found one thing I wanted. That's some progress. look what else I found. Look what I found. I'm so planning like game nights at our house, so I think I'm gonna get this. Like, I want like these, but I know that the kids will spill all over them. I want like a nice tablecloth like this for the holidays, but I already know it's not gonna last. I need something like plasticky, which I don't like because it's tacky, but the struggle. Uh-oh, where's Zeke? Where? There he is! Hi, Zeke! In your little house, his house is full of stuffed animals. Why is your house full of stuffed animals? Hi. Shopping. Man. We went shopping. Okay, you guys can't see me, but I'm putting the kids to sleep. Currently, I have 3 boys in my bed because their beds are coming in, so they don't have any beds. Their beds are coming in Thursday. It's been a long day. The vlog didn't come out the way I wanted to, but it's a learning process. I didn't even get to edit this or upload this on time. It's like midnight, so this will go up tomorrow. So tomorrow I should have 2 vlogs up.